Are you ready to earn passive income through cryptocurrency without learning how to trade and keep control of your crypto? That's right. No more sending your crypto to Joe Blow who you don't know. I'm telling you, we have a major play on our hands, and I haven't been this excited in a long time. So I want you guys to lock in with me and watch the entire video. What's up, good people? This is Anthony Deloach, and I'm back with another crypto investing review and tutorial. And on this channel, I share multiple plays and multiple ways for you to earn passive income through cryptocurrency and beyond. So if that's something that you're interested in, I want you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. All right, guys, let's jump right into this thing. You guys know that we have been in the pursuit of finding something that will allow us to earn passive income through cryptocurrency without dealing with these crazy platforms that rug pull, that do all types of crazy stuff and run off with the bag, right? We don't want to do that anymore. So I've been out there in this hunt and I found something, guys. You guys know that I want to serve this community to the best of my ability and show you guys that there is a better way. And I think we found one of them right here. What if you could actually go out and trade cryptocurrency without trading, right? What if you had a bot that could trade on your behalf? Now, I know you're probably saying, Anthony, we've heard of bots before. I know you have, but there's something special about this bot. As a matter of fact, there's a lot special about this bot that I found and that I have access to. And I want to give you guys the privilege of having access to this bot as well. Now, don't worry, it's not one of those super expensive things, because I found some things like that as well, but they cost thousands of dollars for you to actually participate in. And I know you guys don't want to spend thousands of dollars on the license of a bot, even if it is pretty good. But what if I found a bot that's affordable? As a matter of fact, it's almost affordable for everyone. What if this bot got me 70% returns in just about 7 or 8 days? I know you're listening right now, right? You're getting kind of interested in that, right? What if one of my community members had the bot for about 3 days and earned 150 something percent returns? Or what if I told you I had another bot I had for 2 days and it got me about 6.9% returns? I know you said, Anthony, shut up. We're listening right now. You're talking about something that we want to know, right? And I'm going to give you guys all the info as usual. But I want to let you guys know what I like about this bot is that it trades on decentralized exchanges. That's DEX, right? We call it DEX, and that's a pancake swap, right? Pancake swap and MetaMask. So you don't have to even put your crypto in a centralized exchange if you don't want to. You can utilize MetaMask and the pancake swap exchange to do your crypto trading. That way you're totally decentralized. That sounds really good, right? I know. I like the premise of this already. Now, here's the next thing, guys. If you wanted to use a centralized exchange like Binance.com, they have now released a API key for Binance.com and Binance US. So US people, we got some love over here. See, there's other bots out there that only trade on the international Binance, but now we have the US Binance that actually you can use and you can trade via API key. All right. I know you said, now, look, that's enough, Anthony. Show us what you're talking about. So I want to present to others. I want to introduce to some and present to others this incredible bot so far that I really, really like. Let me share my screen really quick. Let me put this up here because you guys got to see it. Here we go, guys. It is Jonny Blockchain. Now, I know it's kind of corny, Jonny Blockchain, that type of thing, but don't even worry about the name. Funny name, serious money. You know, I like that. I don't care if the name is kind of funny, but it's Jonny Blockchain. Now, what I love about this is that, yes, it operates on a decentralized wallet like MetaMask, and it operates on a decentralized exchange, PancakeSwap, but it's also very affordable. You can license this bot for an entire year for only $25. Y'all give a round of applause, please. $25 is affordable for almost everybody. For an entire year, you get access to this bot. Now, here's the other thing, guys. You can create as many bots as you like with different cryptocurrencies. So if you want to create a bot on BTC or on GGG or on different things, Floki or whatever the other ones, PayPay or whatever you want to create a bot on, you can actually create a bot on those and you can create unlimited bots. Like, that is incredible. Now, this bot is going to use several different altcoins and things that you can. I'm going to show you, give you a little preview of what that looks like, but it has been getting incredible results, and it gives you access to 2FA, so your security is primary here as well, right? So look at the screen here, guys. Getting started with Jonny Blockchain. Before you create your first trading bot, because you actually can go ahead and sign up for this for free, and then you can get in and pay for your bot. Before you create your first trading bot, you will need to do the following. First thing is security first, and set up your Google Authenticator or your Authy, Twilio, whatever it's called. You can use that first. Now you set up that 2FA. Then you're going to set up your DEX or the CEX trading bots, right? So I want to tell you guys that you can actually go ahead and set up these trading bots. You're going to, with the DEX, you'll use MetaMask wallet, and you PancakeSwap and Uniswap, right? Then if you're going to do on the SEX, you can use your Binance.com account and your Binance.us account. So you got that right now, right? But let me show you some of the things here that you probably want to see. So I'm going to go to my dashboard really quick, and I'm going to show you some trends that have been going on here with the Binance APA trading bots, right? So it's going to give it a little bit of time. It's going to give me some results here, and I want you guys to see this, okay? Now, you can see the returns and the number of bots on the different tokens here. So this is the token OM, right? The ROI in the last 24 hours is 1914%, right? That's incredible. The ROI in the last 7 days is 4,998%, and ROI in 30 days is 7,561%. Total ROI is 9,754%. There's 48 bots, right, that are trading on this. Then you have the Ray bot, right? You have your FET bot. You see all these bots, and you can actually look at the ROI and look at the total ROI. Look at what it's done in the last 24 hours, in the last 7 days. So they give us some access to this so we can see that. Now, here's the next one. If you go to the DEX, these are the decentralized exchange results. And then you see one of the top ones is the CREO. CREO ROI in the last 24 hours is 507%. ROI in the last 7 days, 2,872%. ROI in the last 30 days is 7,940%. Total ROI 12,000. You see there's 272 bots that have been created on this, right? So this is pretty sweet here that you can go in and look at these results. Now, another thing that I like to look at is another resource, and I don't know if you guys have taken a look at this. Maybe you guys are already familiar with this, but I like this website because it can give me some insight on different cryptos. So it shows me the day on the crypto, the week, the month, and the year, right? It even breaks it down to the hour, and it's going to tell you what cryptos are trending, where they are, all that type of stuff. So that's incredible. So if you want to utilize this in some of your research, just go to cryptobubbles.net and you'll be able to take advantage of that and look at some of the results so you can make the decisions on what bots you want to create. Now, some people think that, hey, look, do I have to know a lot about it? No, there are some set it and forget it rules. And as a matter of fact, what I love about this bot is they have some getting started tutorials that will take you through the whole process of getting started. Now, here's what I want to tell you. I hope you are teachable and coachable, because you're going to need to set aside some time to look at the videos and get set up properly. Don't go into this and think you can wing it on your own unless you already have a lot of experience in trading and you're going to be able to set this up without any guidance. But please use the videos. Let me show you where you go. Just go to Trading Robots. As a matter of fact, just go to Getting Started, then go to the step-by-step user guide, right? So you go to the step-by-step user guide. It's going to take you to this screen right here, and it's going to take you through everything. Please watch this video first, is what it says here, and then you just go through every video. Now, if it's something that you already know, like if you already have BNB on your MetaMask smart chain, you have the BNB smart chain already on your MetaMask, and you know how to do that, you're already familiar with MetaMask, maybe you don't need to go through all of these. But if you don't know these things, make sure you go through all of this. Now, it says using Jonny Blockchain on a mobile device. Then if you don't have MetaMask wallet, then these videos will get you set up. How does Jonny Blockchain DEX trading work? How much does it cost? Earn affiliate. All of this stuff right here is right here, so you can look at this information. So everything you need to know is pretty much right here so you can get set up properly. Please go through the videos. If there's a question that you have, go search through the videos and see if this already been answered before you reach out to someone else, right? So you know that I'm here for you. You can always reach out to me, but I'm going to point you back to the videos most likely. So go through the videos first before you actually reach out with the question. Okay, so this is one of the things right here that's going to make this bot very, very effective, because anybody can go through these videos and actually get set up. Okay, so that is the first thing here that I want you guys to do. Now you can actually have both the decentralized bot, and you can have the centralized bots. You just have to pay the $25 fee for the decentralized bot, and then you would pay the actual $25 fee for the decentralized bot. So whichever you want, you just pay for both of them, right? So a total of $50 will get you a year access to be able to set up as many bots as you would like on centralized and decentralized exchange. I think that's absolutely phenomenal. Now, some people are going to ask, is there an affiliate program? There is a referral program if you want to refer people over to this program. So if you have a team, if you're a builder, you're a leader, say, hey, I definitely want to get my people on board with this, then you can go over to this affiliate program and you see how exactly you can do this, because you're going to get your link to be able to share with your team. Now, to access the trading bots, there's a connection fee of $25 for 1 year to connect to Binance.com API keys, and $25 for 1 year to DEX trading MetaMask connection, right? As an affiliate, you can earn commission over 4 levels. You're going to see this below. And on your directs, you are going to earn 30%. So when they sign up for that $25 bot, you're going to earn 30% of that $25. For your indirects, the people on your level 2, you're going to earn 5%. On your level 3, you're going to earn 3%. And on your level 4, you're going to earn 2%. All right, so that's pretty good. It's a pretty straightforward affiliate compensation plan as far as the bot goes. Now, you also are going to earn off of the software service fees. And now, anytime that there's a profitable trade, the bot is going to there's going to be a software service fee of 25%. As an affiliate, you can earn commission of over 4 levels with this. Your directs, you're going to earn 30% of that software service fee. On level 2, 5%, level 3, 3%, and level 4, you're going to get 2%. So it's just like off of what you're going to get off of the bot affiliate fee. The bot fee for the year. So it's the same way as far as the software service fee. So hopefully that's pretty simple. But if you didn't get it through that, you can go and click on this cost and affiliate commission video, and it's going to be explained in detail there. Now, you can find your affiliate link in your profile. So you just go to your profile, and then you're going to be able to look at your affiliate link, and you're going to be able to share that with other people if you choose to. If you're not looking at this for something that you're going to share with other people, then that's totally fine. That's no problem with that. All right. So I want to tell you guys, my community has been having great success with this so far. They've been posting their results in the community. So if you're not in the game plan to 100 grand group, then I suggest that you go ahead and get in the group ASAP. Now, you're probably wondering, how do I get access to that group? All you got to do is drop down into the description of this video. That's where you're going to find the link for Jonny Blockchain that you can sign up. And then you're also going to find the link to the game plan to 100 grand group in Telegram that you can actually access and get and see the performance that everybody else has been experiencing. Okay. I'm excited about you guys getting started with this. I'm excited about you guys taking advantage of something that's going to allow you to keep control of your crypto without having to send it over to Joe Blow, who you don't know. We're going to take back control. We're not going to fall victim to these scandalous crypto platforms anymore, because they're doing crazy stuff. They're running off with the bag, and we're just totally tired of it. We want something that we could be more in control, and that's what you're looking for. I believe this is going to be one of the keys to that. So I want you guys to go ahead, take a good look at this information. If it's exciting to you, if it's something that you want to do, drop into the description of this video, click on the link to get started, pay the $25 fee to get access for an entire year, set up your first bots, start earning returns with us, and make something incredible happen. Guys, we're on our way to phenomenal success in 2024. This is the year of more, and we're going to do powerful things. So I want you guys to lock in with me on everything I do. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you like every video. Make sure that you share this out with the people who need to see this information, and let's go all the way to the top. As always, you know what we're going to do. We're going to invest wisely. We're going to invest well, but we will only invest what we're willing to lose, because you know we're investing for the opportunity to win. Until the next video, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day, and I am out. Peace.